Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Okay, so let's start the discussion. I hope in the previous, uh, I hope you remembered, we started with what concept? Logical operators. Okay, good. So logical operators, under that, I started the purpose of logical operators. As you know that, the purpose of logical operators is that to combine two or more relational expressions. The two or more relational expressions connected with logical operators, then it is called logical expression. The result of logical expression is either true or false. The logical expression is called compound test condition. Compound condition is nothing but multiple relational expressions. In Python programming, we have three types of logical operators. They are number one and or not. It's very important, students. So and is meaning is physical anding, physical or. So this is we should not call anything. Now we are talking about and operator. So and operator, what will you learn in colleges something different. What questions will come in MCQs and in high-end companies is something different. So let's start with the concept called what? And operator. So how this and operator can be explained? Lightly. So here the functionality of and operator I'm showing in the form of a table. The functionality of and operator, the functionality of and operator, the functionality of and operator is described described in the following table. In the following table that we call it as light. In the following truth table, we call it as what? Truth table. So this truth table I'm going to discuss. So here I'm going to give you the truth table here. As I told you just now, students, the result of the logical expression is either true or false. So here I'm writing some table, students. Let us follow this table. Here I'm writing one table. What is here? Relational expression 1. Relational expression 1. Here I'm writing relational expression 2. Next I'm going to take it relational expression 1 and what? Relational expression 2. Relational expression 2. Relational expression 1. Relational expression 2. So I would like to take up relational expression 1 and 2. I just want to go for it. So there I am going to talk. See, students, relational expression 1 can be either true or false. True means what and false means what? I need to go for it. What is the value of relational expression generally? It can be either true or false. It can be either true or false. Relational expression 2 also it can be either true or false. So how many combinations I can prepare? Here two values will be coming. Here two values will be coming. So in combined with how many combinations will come? Four combinations will come. So let me go for taking true and false. So here I am taking the combinations as false and true, and next is called true, and next is called what false. Next I'm going to write it false and false, and next I'm going to say true and true. True and true I'm going to take up. This is called what the combinations. So this AND operator says what? Generally the AND operation says that this result must be true, this result must be true. Both the results are true, then the result is true. Both the results are true, then the result is true. Both the results of this expression 1 and expression 2 is true, then the result is true. Then the result is true. any one of the relational expression is what? False. Then the result is called what? False. Are you able to follow? So let us start here. False and true. Come on, first. Quickly. False. Good. Next is called what? Next. Good. False. Next is what? False. Next is what? True. So this concept, even everybody knows. Even bottommost engineering college student also knows. 60,000, 70,000 rank also coming. That student also knows this. But there is one question that will come in interview. That will be nobody will answer it. That questions will come in big companies where the package will be for those people almost 25, 30 lakhs will be. Normal people are what? 2.5, 3.5. When 2.5, 3.5 is coming, parents will say, my son is daughter is software engineer. 2.5, 3.5 today normal person is coming. Normal person is getting. Okay now. So we need to get what? Minimum at present 2024 trend is minimum 8 lakhs you need to get it per annum. Are you ready to get it? Huh? Yes, sir. You need to read the notes first. Once you read, you will get it. So coming to this place, false, true, false. True, false is false. False is false. True and true is true. Let me talk about example one. I will talk about different type of examples. This is, you already learned it. It's something not new. This is not new. Example two, I will talk. Example two, I will talk. It's also not new. That you already aware of it. That is not specialty of my class. Example number three, special. This is special. This is what is called special. This is what I'm interested to explain. Let me go to example number one. Go to this place. I'm going to enter into, go to this place. Here I'm entering. Here I'm writing false and what? True. What is the answer? False. I'm explaining the table, what you learned it. True and what? False. What is that now? False and what? False. False. True and true. True. Are you following? This is a table that already, that a table, whatever you learned it, but I took it as it is. So here, true and false, like this. True or false, true and false, like this. False and false, like this. And a true and true, like this. True. So done. Students, careful. Now I'm going to enter into example number two. Example number two. I'm going to take up here. Example number two. There I'm going to take up. So here, students, example number two. This is what something more interesting and that you are already studied in your colleges going to this place. So, what ma? Sneha, Sneha Mishra. Like plus minus equal to minus. What is this? Something new. I am getting something new. Like plus minus double equal to like that. Is it like that? So maybe plus minus equal to like that. Again, one more answer is coming. Like this. What is that? Multiplication. Okay. I don't know this. This I don't know. Do you know? Do you know? Maybe same college, huh? Same college? Okay. Okay. I don't know that. Let it be. No problem. I don't want your knowledge more. Please keep your knowledge with you. Now let me move to the further. Go to the next variety of that. And if any maybe you know more logics, keep that logics with you, but learn what is the subject. Now next I'm going to take. Now my question is here false and false, right? What is an answer? Which false? First false or second false? If you are telling na, that is your talented. Here true and true na. Which true? First true na, second true na. First, first true. That is the wrong. First level second true. International batch. First true, I said false. Second true, total international batch. Both are. Who is that? Both. Midnight 12 o'clock. That is like that. Midnight 12 o'clock means not that one, this one. It is middle. So let it be. Not a problem, student. I will tell you. That is my ultimate explanation. After this question, you remember at what time I asked? 14:21 I asked. I will ask the same question after half an hour. You will answer like anything. Okay, hold on. No problem. Come to the next part. Second example I am talking about. 10 greater than 10 greater than 20, 10 greater than 2, and 10 greater than 30, 10 greater than 30, 10 greater than 2. Come on, false. 10 greater than 2. True, true. 10 greater than 2. True. It's my mistake to ask you the question. It's my mistake. 10 greater than 2 is what? True. And what? 30 greater than 10 greater than 30. False. False. True and false. It is called false. Definitely it is called what? False. So the answer is called what? False. Are you able to follow? Come on. Next I'm going to say. Careful students. 10 greater than 20 and 20 greater than 10. 10 greater than 20. False. True. So false. Uh, when I say, you look at that. That person only looking back. Okay, let it be. It's quite interesting. Not only you, whoever is coming from last 10 to 15 years onwards now, true and false means totally out of order. It's not only you, everybody, most of them, no problem. Students now, 10 greater than 20. Come on. Next up, what is the answer? Good. Be careful. 10 greater than 20, 10 greater than 20, and 20 greater than 30, and 10 greater than 4. First one, next one, next one. What is the answer now? False, false, and true. What is the answer? Answer is called what? False. Answer is called false. Are you able to follow? This is the subject. Next, last and final. 10 greater than 2 and 30 greater than 20 and 10 greater than 2. True, true, true. Answer is what? True. Let me go to the topic here. Dear students, be careful. This is an answer. True, I got it. This is an answer. I got it. I want to give you some special explanation here. Be careful. Here I am writing like this. Take care, students. Very carefully try to watch it now. Here, watch it now. Since carefully watch it. 10 greater than 2. Come on. True. Next, 10 greater than 30. False. So, first one is what? True. Next one is what? Total result is what? Okay, very good. Be careful. 10 greater than 20. False. Do you know, students? 20 greater than 10. True. What is the answer? Good. Now the point is, observe this part. 10 greater than 20. Come on. False. Once, now I'm talking. In the case of AND operator, first one is called what? False. When first one is false, PVM will not go to the second one. PVM will not go to the second one. Sir, why? Whether the second one is true or false, total result is what? Total result is false. Are you able to follow? First one is called what? False. Second one, PVM will not go to second one. Why? Second one, true or false, it doesn't matter anything. Even though second one is true or false, total result will become what? So, in the case of second statement, when first one is false, PVM will not go to second and subsequent relational expression. The total result of the logical expression will become what? This is known as what? That mechanism is known as what? Short circuit evaluation we can call. Short circuit evaluation. Evaluation we can call. Short circuit evaluation. Spell out once. What do you mean by short? Not length. Short evaluation. That will make the total decision is true or false. Come to this place once. What is the result? When it is a true, you can't say the total result is true. Why? The first true definitely depends on the next statement evaluation. Why? When first one is true, you can't say that totally it is true. Correct or not? When second one is true, result is true. When second one is false, result is false. Did you understand? This is known as what? This is known as what? Full length evaluation. Full length evaluation. Will you understand this point? Full length evaluation we can call. This is called a short circuit evaluation we can call. Did you understand, students? Next, go to the next point. Everybody, 10 greater than 20. Quickly. False. False. Go to where? Second. Will it go to second? Never. Will it go to third? Never. Whether it is true or false, never. It directly go to where? False. So it is going to be never go to this place. Directly go to where? False. It is known as what? Short circuit evaluation. Short circuit evaluation. Did you understand this process? Good. This is known as what? Short circuit evaluation. Online students, did you understand this process? Come on, next. 10 greater than 2. Definitely go to second. 30 greater than 20. True. Compulsory go to where? Third one. Third one is also what? So definitely it is going to be printed true. This is known as what? Full length evaluation. Did you understand or not? Yes, this is related to this part already you learned it. In this place, before going to example 3, I want to define one short concept here. What is that? Short circuit, short circuit evaluation of, short circuit evaluation of which operator? And operator, and operator. Short circuit evaluation of and operator. Short circuit evaluation of and operator. Short circuit evaluation of and operator I am going to talk. Shall I start now? Tell me what do you mean by short circuit evaluation? Here I am writing. I am writing the concept. Carefully understand once again I am saying. If if two or more relational expressions connected with what operator? And operator. If two or more relational expressions connected with what operator? And operator. If the first relational expression result is false, PVM will not evaluate the second and subsequent relational expressions. That the total result of the expression becomes what? False. That process of evaluation is known as what? Short circuit evaluation. This is used to speed up the process evaluation. Processor evaluation to speed up, this concept is invented. This concept is invented by MC Karthi. MC Karthi. This is a scientist name, designed this concept called short circuit evaluation. This concept almost used in processors for speed up the evaluation process. Shall I write now? If two or more relational expressions, two or more relational expressions connected with what operator? And operator, connected with and operator, and if the result of, if the result of hmm, first relational expression, if the result of first relational expression is what? False, then PVM will not evaluate, PVM will not evaluate second and subsequent, subsequent relational expressions, relational expressions, and relational expressions, and the total result of, and the total result of, total result of logical expression, entire expression, entire expression, total result of what? Entire expression is, come on, false. Total result of entire expression means what here? Logical expression. Logical expression. Total result of logical expression is false. This process of evaluation, this process of evaluation, evaluation is called what? Short circuit evaluation. Short circuit evaluation. Now I'm going to write it. Short circuit, short circuit evaluation. I hope you are following me. This is the most important, students. Everybody must understand. Are you able to follow now? Now, can I ask one question now? Come on. Now I asked the 421 one question I asked. Now I am asking the question. Look at that. False and what? True. Here true and false and which false? Yes. That is subject. True and true. Which true? Second true. That is subject. First one, when you, before my explanation, what you have? You are applying a head and tail method. Head means this, bat, head means fielding, tail means batting. When I say first, first, no, no, second, second, no, no, first. That dilemma. Are you okay now? Next, here true and true. Which true? Second true. False and false. Which false? Why first false? Yes, short circuit evaluation. True and true. Why second true? That is subject. That is subject. This is only my normal question. Ultimate question is there. Nobody can answer. After R operator, I will talk about it. After R operator, I will talk about it. Now I am going to talk about the R operator. Very, very easy. See, students, now I am entering into the R operator. Online students, are you comfortable? Are you comfortable with this? Everybody, is your knowledge is increasing daily? Is your knowledge is increasing daily? Quickly. How much percentage is increasing? May I know, students? Offline, online students, may I know how much percentage of knowledge is increasing so far? Dheeraj, 300%. Okay. So, okay. Bhuvaneshwari, 100%, sir. Okay. Come on, everybody. Shamyul, 100%, 100%. Neelima, 100%. So, yeah, 100%. Daily increasing slowly. Okay. Sharavana Basua, 100%. Okay. 100%. Everything is 100%. Not even 20, 30. No, 100. Earlier at zero, na completely. Okay. Offline students, how much percentage is increasing? Slowly. Because offline students engine is very slow. Because it is prepared by early man now. That's why. Come to the point. Okay, students, no problem. Read the notes. Still it will be more. Okay, students. So, okay. Alam, slowly gaining confidence. Good. Now let me enter into the further. The functionality of R operator is described in the following table. See, I said in the beginning day only, minute to minute, hour to hour, see your confidence levels, I said. Are you observing that? Right. R operator functionality. Now I'm showing the R operator functionality. Now I'm entering into the R operator functionality. Same table I am taking. Now time is what? Time is going to this place. 1635, 435. Relational expression, I am going to take it. Here also, what is an operator now? R operator. Same, R operator. Relational expression results are what? False. Next is called what? True. Next is called what? True. False. Next is called what? False, false, true. And next is what? True. This is true. This is a data. Now students, I am using what operator? OR operator. How simple it is. OR operator says any one of the relational expression is true, total result is true. Again, if any one of the relational expression is true, then the total result is true. If both of them are false, result is false. Getting or not? All of them are called, both of them are false. Result is what? False. Any one is true. Result is what? True. Come on, fast. False, true. True. Next, true. Next, good, good. So this is called what? False. Next one, good. Now good. Now example number one. As usual, example number one. I'm going to give you this table. Careful students. False or true. False or true. True. Next, true or false. True. False or false. False. True or true. True. Here false or false, false. Which false? Very good. Second. Second false. Second false is the result. True and true. Which true? First true. Beautiful. How it is coming? Based on previous short circuit evaluation. Excellent. See how you are intelligent. If you read well, you are most intelligent. Of course, because of that, you already know in the colleges. And this part you don't know. True, false, false, you know that. But which one is a short circuit evaluation, you are coming to know. Okay, no problem, students. Let me come to the further part. Here I am going to take up. Here I am going to write it. Something like this. See, students, carefully try to follow. Now I am writing 10 greater than 2 or I am writing 20 greater than 3. Quickly, 10 greater than 2. True. Second one, true. True or true? True. 10 greater than 20 or 20 greater than 30. False. First one is false. Second one also, result is false. 10 greater than 2 or 20 greater than 10. 10 greater than 2, 20 greater than 10. True. And or I will write it. Or 20 greater than 3 or 30. Come on. True. False. True. True. You are saying false. First one. True. Huh? What is this? True. Second one. True. This one. What operator? Or operator. What is this? Both of them. True. See on the screen. Both of them is what? True. Both of them is what? True. True. And moreover, as I said, you know, this is comes under short circuit evaluation. When first one is what? True. Even though rest of them are false, total result is what? True. See the result. True. 100 greater than 20 or 100 greater 200 greater than 300 or 400 greater than 500. First one is what? True. Rest of them are what? Will it go to PVM to this rest of them? No, it will be simply going for the first one only. What is the answer? True. Are you able to follow this? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy. Let us carry on, and I will write example number 2. Example number 2, how simple it is. So here I am going to take it. See students, this is called what? True. And this is false. And this is also called false. And this is called what? True. Let us carry on. 10 greater than 2. Come on, come on. True. True. When it is true, when it is true, PVM will not go to the second one at all. Directly it is made as what? Whether it is a true or false, whether it is a true or false, it doesn't make any difference. Directly it will go to where? True. This is known as what? Short circuit evaluation. Short circuit evaluation. Are you following? True or false? Come on. Here, sorry, not here. This one. Here I need to write. Here I need to write. Short circuit evaluation. Here I am going to take up. Come on, start. 10 greater than 20. Come on. False. 20 greater than 30. False. Go to where? This is known as what? Full length evaluation. Full length evaluation. Actually, this is not a full, uh, not a big important. Important thing is available. I'll talk to you. False. Next up. Quickly. 10 greater than 2. True. Once it is first one is true, rest of them are going to be what? Never evaluated. Simply it is going to be called what here? Short circuit evaluation. Short circuit evaluation. Are you able to follow? Good. Next, 100 greater than 20. True. Next, whether it is true or false, it doesn't make any difference. It is going to be what? Short circuit evaluation. Able to follow? Right. This is related to what? Concept of what? Or operator. Similarly, I would like to take up here short circuit evaluation concept I am writing. Short circuit evaluation of what operator? Or operator. If two or more relational expressions connected with what? And or operator, or operator. If two or more relational expressions connected with what? Or operator, and if the result of first relational expression is false, I will write what? True. True. Then PVM will not evaluate second and subsequent relational expressions. Will not evaluate second and subsequent relational expressions. And the total result of entire expression, logical expression, is true. Is true. This process of evaluation is called short circuit evaluation. Is it clear or not clear? Clear. So students, short circuit evaluation, two or more relational expressions connected with OR operator. This is called what? Short circuit evaluation. Concept is clear. Clear? Now, online students, I hope this is more clear. I hope so. Now I am entering into further. Clear or not clear? Any doubt? No. I am talking about next one. This is very simple. Already you understood. This importance, the beauty of this short circuit evaluation is, advantage of short circuit evaluation is to optimize the processor performance. To speed up the processor evaluation purpose, they went for what evaluation? Short circuit evaluation. Now I am entering into the next operator is called what? Not operator, I will explain. It's quite interesting. Not operator, I'm going to talk. Third one I will take. Third one, not operator, I will explain. So what is not? What is not? What is not? Not operator. What is or operator? True or false? True. False or false? False. True and true or false? True. True or true? True. What is not operator? Not true. False. Not false. True. What is not operator? Not true. False. Not false. True. Simple. Come on. Not true. Not false. True. What is not operator? Are you able to understand what is not operator? What is not operator? It will give you opposite result of Boolean value. Opposite result of Boolean value. If it is true, not true, false. If it is not false, true. Are you able to follow? So let me start continuation of the process. Here I will go to that. The not operator functionality I want to show you. Here I am going to write it. The functionality of not operator is given below. Look at students. The functionality I'm going to give you. So need not write this entire table. Just one small table I will write it. Need not write a big table. Just I will take like this. Here you take out. This process you take out. Now you see this now. Remove the true. Remove this true. Now I will write not relational expression 1. Say now relational expression 1. Start. Everybody start now. Start now. Relational expression 1 is what? Not false. Come on, quickly. Not true. Yes. False. So coming to the point back, here I am going to write it. This is the result of it. As I said you the example, this is example number 1 that I already written here. Carry out. Carry out. This is the one. Not true. This is the one. Not false. This is the one. I hope you are getting it. Clear up? Yes. Now I'm entering into the further. Now I'm entering into the further. See students, how simple it is. Done. Now example number 2. Quite interesting now. Now I'm going to ask you the questions. So my special examples are started now. I'm asking, look at, some people will call it as, some people are calling it as this thing, AND operator is called multiplication rule. AND operator is known as what? Multiplication rule. MUL rule we can call. Multiplication rule or product rule people are calling. Product rule. Sir, why product rule? Look at ma. What is the internal value of false? 0. 0. What is the internal value of true? 1. 0 and 1 product is what? 0. 0 means what? False. True is what? 1. 1 and 0. 0 into 0. True and true. 1 into 1 is what? 1. It doesn't mean that we have to write what? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Some people are trying to write like this. Lot of people who don't have an industry knowledge, they will tell this is exactly similar to this, they will sell. It is a blunder. Sir, where you will show this type, sir? I am going to show you very shortly in the bitwise operators. This is what the majority of the people are going to mistaken. Mistaken. I am going to show you. You understand, for remembrance purpose, this is a product rule. And our operator is called what? Sum rule we can call. Addition rule we can call. Come on, 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. 1. 1 means what? True. True and false. 1 plus 0. 1. 0 plus 0. True plus true. 1 plus 1. 1. That is known as what? True only. Now coming to the point. Very easy. And don't take things. Not 1, 2, 3. Not 1, 2, 3. I'll tell you that this is what people are asking in interview point of view. Not true, false, not false, true. Everybody can answer. 60,000 rank student also will answer. High-end question. What is 1, 2, 3? Non-zero. My sir already said that what? Non-zero. Where I said this now? Boolean data type. Bool data type I said. Non-zero called what? True. Zero called what? False. What is 1, 2, 3? Non-zero. Non-zero means true. Not true. False. Compulsory question. Not minus 345. Not minus 345. Come on. Minus 345 is what? False. Minus 345 is non-zero. Non-zero means what? True. Not true. False. Are you able to follow? Yes. Now I'm going to take it. Not 0. What is 0? 0 means false. Not false. True. Clear or not clear? Clear. Will you answer such questions? Online students, are you following me, guys? Quickly. Everybody must know this. Done. Perfect. So here, done. Can I ask one complicated question? Ready to answer wrong? Wrong? Okay. Not, not Python, not Python. False. Python is what? String. String means you have to take what? Length. Length. What is the length? 6. 6 means what? Non-zero. Non-zero means what? True. Not true. False. Not Python at Java. Not Java. Not like that. So not Python. False. Understood? Not. 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 Hmm. Sure. Are you sure? Yes. Good. Why not? Not. Not is a string. Non-zero. Non-zero means what? True. True means what? False. Right. Not not false. Not false. Sure. Why? It is a string. It is a string. This is not false is true. Is a bool. This is called what? String. Not true means what? It is called true only. Length. It is going to be what? False. Compulsory question. Compulsory question. So, last and final. Beautiful. So here onwards, I'll take it. Is your confidence is increasing? So a few minutes back now, is it increasing? But tomorrow, as usual, when we come to the class, as usual, dog tail only. Every day at the end of the class, I'll straight the dog tail. Tomorrow when you come, like that only. Daily I will sharp it. I will release your tiger. And when you come to the class, again like this. So once if I straight it, you have to practice for straight only. Okay, students. Of course, don't feel it because of my word. It's a natural. So, frankly speaking, come last and final. Not, not like this. Come on, quickly. Be careful. Not, there is no space. There is no space means what is the length? Zero, not zero. True. Not zero means true. Not zero means what? True. Are you okay? Right. Now I'm writing. Be careful. 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10. Quickly. Quickly. Come on. 10 minus 10. False. True. False or true? Think about it. Anybody saying true? Anybody true? True. But you said true. Somebody said true. Correct. Who is that? True. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Generally, people will think that 10 minus 10 is 0, they will think. Even you think 0, within the double quote 0 is called length is 1 now. 1 means what? Non-zero. Non-zero not means what? Answer is called what? False. Able to follow? Suppose if you are taking not of 10 minus not of what? 10 minus 10. Not of 10 minus 10. That time it is called true. That time it is called true. So I hope that this is also more clear. Clear? Very good. So you qualified this type of answering. So which questions are easy? Which questions are easy, you see? These are very easy, correct? But these are the questions coming in the MCQ's point of view. These are the questions which are coming in MCQ's point of view. Clear or not clear? Yes. వినండి వినండి ఇద్దరు సైంటిస్టులు వినండి listen. By thinking both of you, by discussing, nothing will come. If you listen, after the class, sit under one place, eat one ice cream outside, sit at one place, discuss both of you. Night 10 o'clock you discuss, no problem. But inside the class, concentrate. Finished up? Now I'm talking about some special points. These are the special points about what or not operator. Special points. Keep in mind, before going to an interview, you look into that of what? Not operator. Special points of not operator. Not operator. Go to the another point of it. Very, very easy. Now I'm saying special points of each operator, and operator I will talk. And operation. This is what I'm interested in from long time on. Onwards. Special points with what? And operator. And operator. Be careful. Try to follow me carefully. Here I am writing. So just have a revision of and operator once. And operator. False and true. And right. True and false. False, false. True, true. And you have seen short circuit evaluation. Everything. Shall I move forward? Yes. Ready to answer? Yes. Come on, students. Everybody. Now, students, now I'm writing. Look at 100 and 200. Answer is generally people will use what? Relational expression 1, relational expression 2. But I'm not using relational expression 1, relational expression 2. That is called old story, 1947. This is the one. What is an answer? This is what you will not answer it. This is what are the special points in my class. Now, option A true, in the B, option B false, option C 100, option D 200. The answer is what? 200. Generally, people will think that true, false, false, true, something like that. Now I will explain. Shall I explain it? Well, when this is special point I want to tell you. PayPal, IBM, Microsoft, when you are entering into big companies or product-based companies, Amazon, these are the questions. Let us start, students. 100 means what? Non-zero. 200 means what? Non-zero. Which operator? And operator. Non-zero means what? True. Non-zero means what? True. What is the operator? I said true and true. Which true? Second true. Second true means what is an answer in second true place? What is there? 200 will be printed. Are you following me? Come on. 100 and what? 200. What is the answer? 200. Special. Special or not? Have you seen your academics? Have you seen this? No. Not only you. Nobody. These are the questions coming in interview. They don't ask you 10 greater than 20 and 30 greater than 40. They don't ask. They will ask these questions. Come on, next up. 100 and 0. 100 and 0. Come on, guys. Quickly. 100. Who is that? Correct. 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 Wrong answer. Already I looked at it. You only seen. Sir, I am only. Wrong. What is 100? 100 wrong means 0 is the correct. What is 100? Non-zero. Non-zero means what? True. And what? 0 means what? True and false. False. False means what is there in false place? That's all. Really, this is subject. This is only subject. Like everybody, if I take true or false, false, true, false, true, true, false, what is that? Same as equal to college only. Okay, guys. Ready to answer now? Now minus 24 and minus 34. Answer is true. Now take your bag and go to home. What is minus 24? Hmm? What is minus 24? Non-zero. Still you did not get means waste students. True. And what? Minus 34 means non-zero. What is that now? True. Which true? Answer is what? True. Which true? First true na? Second true na? Second true means what? Already I said na here. Already I said na here. 200 ani. Again you are saying wrong. So what is the answer now? Minus 34. Able to follow? Getting or not? Yes. Come on, come on. Now 100 and 10 and 1. Answer. 1. 1. What is this now? True. True. And what? True. And And what is this and true? True. And true and true. True. Which true? Last true. What is the value here? 1. Easy or difficult? Easy. Next, 100 and 0, 100, 200. 200, who said? Correct. Who said 200? You said? Then he did not say. You are wrong answer. You saying he said. He did not say, he saying. You are wrong answer. Who said 200? Correct. Who is that? Okay. Some Akashvani said, let it be. What is an answer? What is this now? True. And that means here only it will be stopped. Correct or not? It will not go to this. Which operation? Short circuit evaluation. What is an answer now? 0. Beautiful. Are you getting? Interesting. Normal AND operator. This one. This one. Let's see minute to minute how is your subject is increasing. This is a subject. Take any student. Ask these questions. This is what subject. Suresh. Much interesting, sir. Okay. Very good. I'll teach much interesting only. But tomorrow, dogtail only. My dear students, read well and come to the class. This is my advice. But I will teach perfectly for you. If you don't read, what can I do? Tell me. Are you following? Shall I tell much interesting? Will you answer? Okay, you will answer. Compulsory, you will answer correct. Ready? 100 to 100 minus 25. Come on. Huh? Minus 25. Sure. Very nice, students. See how beautiful you are. Today only. Tomorrow. Right. Beautiful you are. You see your face in the mirror. How is your beginning? You see your face in the mirror. I said in the beginning day, take your selfie and see that I said. Because once you have subject, you are shining like a sun. Otherwise, you know what will happen. Chimpirjutu, like that. Okay, lost. Ready to answer? Okay. Now, see, students, something special. Python, Python, and Java, and what? HTML. Come on. Super. Excellent. See, I did not say, but you are answering. See, students, how you are. Next, true and true, true and Python. Answer. Huh? Sure. Excellent. See how best you are. Today only. See, students, how you react on my subject. That is called subject presentation. You see in any internet, you will not find. If I don't teach with this much of deep, will you come to know? If these questions will come in interview, written test, what will happen? So faculty means they have to explain everything or not. That is called guru commitment. If guru is not good, student will become gundu. Gundu means anda. Do you know this? Yes. So, anyhow, students, come to the point back. Now, still not completed. Still, something is there. Now, special points on what? Or operator. Or operator. Hmm? Right. Kirti Ranjan Naik. Right. It's our privilege to be your student. Yes. I'm also feeling like that. You're all my best students, international batch. Okay. But see, I'm making you really international batch. You take any student and ask, will they answer it? But if you remember and prepare daily, how you are? Okay. Come on, students. Come to the subject. In middle, I'll speak something like that. But I after teaching good subject. Be careful. Now you will answer like anything. I will revise once. Go to R operator. R related thing I am talking. R related. Where is R? False or true? True or false? False or false? True or true? True. Do you know that? Just to have once. Now I'll go to the subject here. Now I'll come to 100 or 200. Answer. Come on. Very good. Very good. See. Now who is this? Rushabh. Rushabh. Take your luggage and go to home now. What is 100? True. True. Or what is 200? True. Which true? First true. In first true place, who is there? That is an answer. That is an answer. In AND operator, what is the difference? Second one will come. Did you understand? If anybody asks what is the difference between AND and OR operator, you can see this high-end example. Did you understand? Yes. This concept depends on what? Short circuit. Okay. 100 or 0. Come on. 100 or 0. 100. Rishabh, my dear student, answer. This is called what? Non-zero. Non-zero means what? True. True. What is this now? False. True or false? True place, what is there? What is an answer? Good. 0 or 100. Come on. Yes. You just take one thing. 100 and 0. 100 and 0. Come on. 100. 0. 0. 0 and 100. 0 and 100. 0. But here, 100 or 0? 100. 0 or 100. That means AND and OR is completely different. AND and OR is completely different. Are you able to follow? Yes. Now, be careful. Now I'm writing 0 or true or 200. Quickly. True or 200? 200 or true now? 200. Who said 200? Correct. Who is that? I know. You only. I know. Midnight 12 o'clock is an answer. Anything wrong coming from that side, midnight 12 o'clock only. So answer is 0. What is this now? True. 0 and true. It will not go to the next. Answer is this. Last and final. 100 or 200 or 0. Answer. Yes. Final. Python, Python or Java or C or HTML. Come on. Yes, Python. Why Python? Non-zero. True. Others. True or false doesn't make any difference. Python. Are able to follow? Yes. This is the subject of it. Go to the place. Here I am going to write it. Special points of here. This is my data. 100 or 0. 100 or 0. 0 or 100. So, like this. 0 or true. Like this. Now, this is the value. Like this. This is the value. Like this. Are you able to follow? Done. Next. This is about what? OR operator. OR operator. Now, students, quite interesting point I'm going to get it. Special points on AND operator as well as what? OR operator. And what operator? OR operator I'm going to talk. Special points on and what? OR operators. So ready to answer? As how simple it is? See, I will explain one point. Other points you answer. 100 or 200 and 300 or 400. This is my data. See students, look at all of you, listen very carefully. Now, if you listen them carefully students, when and or operator is available, first I'm not asking answer students, follow this carefully. Answer 300 or 100 or mixed answer, listen. Don't do any overaction, listen the class. Listen. I don't want any answer, I'm explaining, listen the class. And what? Or. When and operator is available, when and operator is available, and will be evaluated first because it is a product. Product will contain what? High priority. Product will contain high priority, star. Or will contain what? Sum, plus. Plus and star, who will have more priority? 3 plus 4 into 2. What is an answer? Answer is called what? 15. Answer 15. Answer 9. 15. 15. 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 into 2, 14. Sorry, 14. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 3 is called what? 11. Answer is 11 or 14? 11. Because first it will be multiplied, then it will go to where? This spot it will go. Are you able to follow? Similarly, first what will be evaluated? And will be evaluated. What is an answer for that? Come on. 300 is an answer. For this, what is an answer? Now you take 100 or what? 300. 300 or what? 400. Come on, write it. As it is, you write it. 100 or what? 300 or what? 400. You write it. 100 or 300. What is an answer? 100 or 400. What is an answer? 100 is an answer. Did you understand this? This is a workout. 100. Did you understand? Next, see students, 10 and 20 or 40 and 50 or 40 and 50 and 80. 80. Come to the point of it. First you evaluate and things students. And things you evaluate. What is an answer for this? 20. Or you write as it is. Come on, what is an answer? 50. 50. 50. What is this now? 80. Now 20 or 50? 20. 20 or 80? 20. This is an answer. Are you following? If I ask this type of questions, will you answer? Beginning? Now you will answer. Now I'm asking one more question. Java, Java and Python, Python and HTML, HTML or Django, Django, Django and 220. So tell me, answer. Are you sure? Are you sure? Good, nice students. Java and Python. Come on, Python, Python and HTML. Very nice. HTML, HTML and HTML are what? No, no, 1 minute, ma. This part is coming, right or not? Django and 20, 20. HTML or 20? HTML. I think you are understanding about what? HTML. Did you understand, students? HTML. Are you following? You search in entire internet these questions, you will not find. Sir, how you then? Because I will verify every written test question what? Because our people are there around the many people are there across the many companies. They used to give me the when new paper is coming, they used to send to my inbox. Then I will see that. They'll say, sir, I answered like anything. Everything is from our book. What is the beauty? The more deeply if I teach, the more deeply if I teach the subject, you are ultimate. Correct or not? Only one thing I want to see from you. I should hear the word from your words. Sir, everything is coming from your batch. I want to say. Tushar Verma. East West KVR is the best. Thank you, my dear student. Thank you, my dear student. Here there is no symbol of Namaste symbol is not there. So I want to tell you the symbol here. Symbol is not there, my dear student here. Where is the symbol? I don't know. I'm not that much perfect in symbols. So thank you. So I am not east west or something. I am central. My students are there. East west, north, east west is there. My students are there. I am there at central place. My students made me to sit in central place. So if you get job, that I feel happy. Correct? So only two people will feel happy. One is parents, teacher, relatives, jealous, jealous. So come, last and final. 0 and 20, then or minus 123 and 0 and Python and or true. What is the answer? ఎందుకని తొందర? Quickly. Okay, look at. And first you see, what is this now? 0. What is this now? 0. And 0 and Python. Also what? This entire thing, both of them are and only now. What is the answer now? 0. Now, come on, 0 or what? True. What is the answer? True is an answer. Understood? You only. Confused? No, no, Mogamadams. Confused? Once again. No problem. You paid fees now. You have the right to ask. Come on. 0 and 30. What is the answer? 0 or take this. I wrote this. This part you see. Evaluate this thing. What is the answer? 0. 0 and Python. 0. What is the answer now? Or what? True. True. 0 or true. 0 or 0. 0. Which 0? First 0. Or second 0. No problem. Anything is 0. 0 or true. True. 0 means what? False. False or true? True. In true place, what is there? True is there. Answer is called what? True. That's all. Complicated, easy. Complicated means you take your bag, go to home, I said. So this is dead easy. So these points you have to be careful. These are the things. These are the special points about what? Which operator? And or operators. So online students, I hope you got it. So here, this is about special points. Is it clear up? Is this logical operators? Understood? So did you understand? This much deep is there about logical operators? Did you expected it? Did you expect? No. You expected up to what? This and this most. And from here, these are all called something new. This is something new. Even if you heard about in your colleges, these are something new. These are no doubt in that these are things. These special points compulsory will come in companies. Big companies, NITs, IITs, any placement paper if you see, that are the questions. Okay now? So be careful students. This is about the logical operators. So this I will post today. Yesterday I wanted to post it, but it was incomplete. That's why I will post in today's class. Okay, students. Now I'll go to my operators and expressions. So here, Misra, Sneha Misra. So what is this operator? Now I hope, Sneha, I think you understood the meaning of what this entire thing. Let me go to once operators and expressions. What did you understand? Logical operators. Now I'm entering into where? Bitwise operators I am going to introduce. Start. Bitwise operators I am going to introduce. how important this is. Most important. Most important. Going to start with. Carefully try to follow. How this bitwise operators are. Still most important. See, operator to operator, arithmetic operators. You learned something new. Assignment operator, multi-line assignment. Relational operators, you understood. Logical operators, you understood. Bitwise operators, now I'm going to. Yesterday, I forget to tell you one small example on relational operators. Just open it, open the notes. All of you open. Yesterday, I forget to go for one small demonstration of that. Small example I want to tell you. Any of you know that, but I want to tell you that. Write a Python program. Actually, I want to tell you today only, but I forget to tell you yesterday. Today, I directly started freshly this topic. Relational operators. Right up. Write a Python program which demonstrates the functionality of which demonstrates the functionality of which demonstrates the functionality of relational operators. Relational operators. Relational operators. Relational operators. That's very simple, students. Let me go to the PyCharm. Let me go to the PyCharm. There I'm going to show you. Here I'm going to. Okay. Look at students. Students, carefully follow. Look at. Here I'm going to take up new relational operators example.py. Then coming to this place. Now I'm going to take the data. Listen, class listen. Don't make noise. While class is going on, if you make any running commentary, you don't know my mood. If you speak, permanently you will be out of order. That's the last day. Even if you go to office, sorry is not allowing. I want to go. I will not allow. Last day, if you speak, doubt is that, raise your hand, ask me. While I am typing the program, if you go on talking, some people are talking still. If I see that, I'll send out. I will not allow to the next class. They will send you what? Directly will go to office. Sorry is not allowing. They will say go to other batch. You'll go to other batch. You'll sit 2 to 3 days. First day only you will understand the scene of the class. Next day want to come to my class. Never allowed. Why? False. Here condition is false. And another condition is true. And the total result false. Why that situation? Listen carefully. Doubt is there. Raise your hand. I'll clarify. Boys, if you make noise, I said no. Doubt is there. Raise your hand. No doubt in that. If you talk, if I see, garbage collector will collect away. No doubt in that. Look at A is equal to int of input of enter first value. Enter first value. Next I'm taking B is equal to another value I want to take it. Enter second value. Second value. B I'm taking. B I'm taking. Now I want to take up. Now I'm going to take up 50. Now I'm going to take up print of same. I'll take up 50. There I'm taking print of what? Result of relational expression. Result of relational expression. There I'm going to take up. Carefully follow. Now I'm going to take up print of. Now I'm taking backslash t value greater than operator is equal to, because this is one other hacker ranker small example demonstrating the functionality of relational operator. That's why I'm giving you dot format of Now, online students, now let's start. Go to the place. Here I'm writing. Here. Up till that, there you see. 10 greater than, what should I do here? Format of A comma B comma what? A greater than B. A greater than B. A greater than B. What is the value here? First value substituted here. Second value substituted here. A greater than B, true or false will be substituted in this place. Look at now, all of you. Run this code. Run this code. Here I am saying 10. Here I am saying 2. Answer is called what? True. True. Are you following? Right. So here, true. Let us run this now. Go to the place. Here 30 and then 50. What is this now? False. Able to follow? Simple. Done. So, Rushabh, my dear student, I think you did not touch the laptop so far. Anything written within the double quotes, that is not a problematic. Of course, you are saying something, there is no doubt in that. In English point of view, there is no doubt in that. But don't think about double quotes, what I written by mistake in the speed typing, maybe some mistake in A, B, C, D, etc. Take care about the logic. Are you following me? Now, let me go to the same thing. Let me go to the same thing. I'm writing what operator? Less than. Less than I'm using. Less than I'm using. A less than B I'm using. A less than B I'm using. Try to run this. Here 10 and 2. One is true. One more is what? False. One is true. One more is false. Here I'm writing. Here I'm writing. Double equal to I'm using. Double equal to I'm using double equal to. See students, here I am writing, here I am writing A double equal to B, A double equal to B. See students, both A and B true. Here 10 10 I will write it. 10 10 I will write it. 10 10 is called what? 10 greater than 10, 10 less than 10. Both of them are false only. 10 is equal to 10 is called true. So this is called 10 is equal to 10 is called true. Are you following? Well, next, I'll go to the next. Here I'm going to say print of backslash t. So this value, what is this now? Not equal to, like this. Dot format of what? A comma B comma A not equal to what? B. A not equal to B. Try to run this now. I say 10 here. I say 20 here. 10 not equal to 20. I think I did not write. This bracket I did not write, mom. Is equal to, is equal to, answer I will write it. See the students, 10 20, 10 not equal to 20, answer is what? True. Able to follow students? Simple. Next, let me go to this, greater than or equal to I am writing, greater than or equal to I am writing. Next I am writing, less than or equal to I am writing, less than or equal to, here I am writing less than or equal to. Are you following? Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, everything is there. 10 20 you take it. All the answers you see. 10 greater than or equal to 20 false, 10 less than or equal to 20 is called what? True. Last and final running. I'll say final running here. Take care. Now I'm going to take up 10 and 10, 10 and 10. It is false. It is true. 10 not equal to 10 false. 10 greater than or equal to 10 true. 10 less than or equal to 10 is called what? True. This is about result of what? Relational expressions. I hope that you understood the meaning of what? Relational operators program. Clear up? Right. This actually I need to tell you yesterday, and that I shown here. All the operators demonstrating. Now next, students in online, I hope you got it. Now I need to go for which operator? Next operator is called bitwise operators. I will talk. So students, at this time, bitwise operators, even if I start, because still 10 more minutes time is available for 10:40, that is 5:40. So 10 minutes, I cannot complete that. Tomorrow, 1 hour 45 minutes, and still left out for day after tomorrow also. Because tomorrow is a Saturday. So Saturday and underground action plans you have. If you prepare underground action plans, every Saturday I'm observing your batch. So important concept is coming. I don't know why it is. Tomorrow also, most important concept is coming. I don't know why this is. Are you following? Right. So I'll start this now. So here, every Saturday, important topic. Don't miss tomorrow class. Important, how important? And operator, or operator, how important things you learn. Like that. Bitwise and operator is there. Normal and is there. Bitwise and physical and. What are the difference? Bitwise operators with a set operations, intersection, difference, symmetric difference with bitwise operators. Already we did one solution that I am explaining in tomorrow class. Don't miss tomorrow class. Important. Thank you. All the best. Any doubts are there, online students? You hold on. I'll talk to you. Let's see the online. Any more doubts? Any more doubts you have? Can ask me. Am I audible? First of all, online students, am I audible? Any doubts? Any doubts are there? You can raise your hands. Okay, students, put your doubts. I'll clarify. Uh, Smoronica, Smoronica.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, ma.
Sir, that spatial point what you said explain in starting time. Actually, I don't disconnected at that time, so I'm not able to hear.
See, ma, these points I explained a very long. I used to explain a long time point of view. Very long time I used to explain. So
No,
100 is called a true, non-zero. Non-zero is called a true. Another non-zero is called a true. Which one is becoming true? Second true will become the answer because AND operator will influence the second one. First one is true. Immediately
okay,
it will go to the second one. When second one is true, result is true. Which true is coming? Second true. So 200 is an answer.
okay, sir.
Right.
Okay.
Next, Nirkor. Student Nirkor. Nirkor Behra. So any doubts?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, student.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma. Tell me.
Sir, actually, I am doubt on the special function and operator. Can you just share your screen? Just
Which
I,
one? Which one?
sir, the Python and Java and HTML. This point, sir, I'm confusing about that.
This one, huh?
Yes, sir.
See, ma. Python and Java. Non-zero and non-zero. Which non-zero will take? Second non-zero.
Sir,
Correct?
non-zero means you are
True.
calculating basis of the length. Yeah. What?
Length only. Length only. Strings means length only you will take.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
non-zero. This is non-zero. Which one will be taken? True and true. And operator will take second true.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. I got it. Yes, sir.
Java and
Yes.
HTML again. Which one is again? HTML. Answer is HTML.
Yes, sir, guys. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any more students? Dheeraj. Dheeraj.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Dheeraj.
Sir, actually ఇది సబ్జెక్ట్ రిలేటెడ్ కాదు సార్. 5:30కి డేటా సైన్సెస్ బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది సార్. అది తీసుకోవాలి అనేసి అనుకుంటున్నాను. బట్ ఫర్దర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ లో డీప్ వెళ్ళినాక మీరు ఎక్స్ట్రా టైమింగ్ ఏమన్నా తీసుకుంటారు సార్ ఆఫ్టర్ 5:30 కూడా
No. My class is always 4:10, 5:45, 5:50, 5:40, like that. It varies from subject to subject, points to points.
సో ఎక్స్ట్రా తీసుకునే ఛాన్సెస్ లేవు కదా సార్?
ఎక్స్ట్రా అంటే 6 అట్లనా? 6 తర్వాతనా?
6 వరకు.
లేదు. అంటే 5:45, 5:40, like that. 5:45, 5:50, like that. Depends on the subject completion.
ఓకే సార్, అంతే సార్. అండ్ ఇంకోటి సార్, జస్ట్ ఇదే డేటా సైన్సెస్ గురించి డేటా బేస్ నేర్చుకోవాలి సార్. మీరు ఏమన్నా సజెస్ట్ చేస్తారు సార్?
No, I don't have any suggestions. If the faculty teaches very well, then you join. That is my advice.
నార్మల్ గా కంపెనీలో రియల్ టైమ్ గా ఏ డేటాబేస్ ఎక్కువ వాడతారు డేటా సైన్సెస్?
MongoDB, MySQL, both.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Right. Okay, students, take care. All the best. So I will upload these points, download, and then try to do that. Thank you, students.